So here's our wheatgrass that we have been growing. It's now big enough to harvest, and we are going to have a shot of wheatgrass this morning. I'm just going to cut this, and whatever you don't use, you can store. It can store in the refrigerator for up to a couple of days, but you want to get it as fresh as possible. Fresh is best, and we all deserve the best. So you want to trim it right close to the bottom. Oh, I wish you were here. You could really smell it. You can smell the grass. It smells so incredible, so alive. And here we go. It's really quick and easy. And we will be putting this through our juicer and juicing. 2 ounces is all you need of this in the morning, and then you want a couple ounces in the afternoon. All right, so yes. And then this, of course, this will go out to the critters. It'll have a second growing. They love this stuff, the cats, the dogs. So yeah, this will go out in the grass and they can enjoy. But this is for us. We're gonna rinse it. And then we're gonna juice it. Okay, so I'm using an omega juicer, and this one is good for wheatgrass. Some of them aren't, so if you want to get one. I like these, are easy to clean. You can actually get actual wheatgrass juicers. They're kind of pricey, but doable if you're really into growing wheatgrass and on a regular basis, and you got a lot of people. It's a good investment. But for us, this will work. I put them in tops down, and it just flows right in there for the most part. And we're starting to get, we're starting to get our juice. If you look up the health benefits of wheatgrass juice, they are off the charts. It's good for so many things. I don't even too many to mention. But for me, I like to collect and eat the wild greens when they're up. Wheatgrass is something I'd grow in the winter when that stuff's not so much available, and you just want a really good shot of fresh greens in your system. Really help fend off any kind of colds, viruses, anything else. Boost your immune system, that's what it's all about. Okay, so here we have about 4 ounces, and we're gonna stop and enjoy. Okay, fill up. And like the foam and stuff, that's really good for your skin. It's really good. It'll just absorb into your skin. It's wonderful stuff. So yeah, don't waste a drop. It's good for your face, everything. Not stuff I do enough. So yeah. So we'll have our shot. Cheers. And lots of people will hold it in their mouth, swish it around their teeth. It's supposed to be really good for teeth health as well. So